Chapter 8, Question 2. Elastic collision. A box of mass equals 3.6 kilograms moving on a frictionless surface with the speed of Vj equals 9.3 meters per second, making a perfect elastic collision with a stationary block of mass, which is M, as shown in the figure. So this is the figure. This is what it look like. So M versus M. This is before. This is after. M, that's a lowercase m, velocity final versus capital M. This is after. It says, just after the collision, the 3.6 kilogram block recoils with a speed of, this is final speed, of 2.7 meters per second, which is the V, capital V, of the other block. So we have V1 equals M1 minus M2 over M1 plus M2. Okay, whereas V2, we have 2M1U1 over M1 plus M2 plus M2 minus M1 over M1 plus M2 times U2. So we'll start with V1. V1 will be negative it'll be M1 minus M2 over M1 plus M2 times U1 go over negative 2.7 equals 3.6 minus M2 over 3.6 plus M2. So now we take that and we do negative 9.72 minus 2.7 M2 times M2 equals 33.48 times 9.32, which is, and that will get you M2 equals 6.545 kilograms. So we have part 1. Whereas part 2, which is V2, we take V2 equals 2 times 3.6 times 9.3 over 10.145, sorry, over 10.145 equals 6.6. The way you can check your answer, you'll take V2 minus V1 equals U1 minus U2. So now you'll take the V2 and keep it alone. Bring everything else on the other side, and you'll do U1 plus V1, which would get you 9.3. Because that's minus 2.7 equals 6.6 per second.